In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Google Flights. If you're planning a trip or just tracking fares, seeing prices in a currency you actually use makes everything clearer. Changing the currency in Google Flights is quick, and once you do it, the site will show prices in your preferred currency across results, maps, and date grids. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. When the page loads, you'll be on the main dashboard with the search fields for your departure and destination, along with date options and suggested trips. You don't need to enter anything yet. We're going to adjust a setting that applies to the whole experience. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Keep going past the search form, the featured destinations, and the fare tips until you reach the footer. On mobile, this can take a few extra swipes, so don't worry, just keep scrolling until you can't go any further. In the footer, you'll see small links related to your region and language. Among them is the setting we want, currency. It will display the current currency abbreviation next to it, like USD, EUR, or another local code. Click Currency. A panel or small window will open showing a list of available currencies. This list includes common options and regional choices, and you can browse until you find the one you prefer for comparing prices. Pick the currency you want by clicking the circle next to it. That circle is the selection button. Once you click it, you'll see it fill to confirm your choice. After you've selected the currency, confirm by clicking OK or Done, depending on what you see. The panel will close, the page may briefly refresh, and then all the flight prices on Google Flights will update to reflect your new currency. You'll notice the change right away in the search results, the calendar fare view, and any suggested trips. A few quick tips to keep in mind. This change affects how prices are displayed on Google Flights, not necessarily how you're ultimately charged when you book on an airline or partner site. Final billing can still depend on the airline settings and your payment method. Also, your currency choice usually sticks for future visits in the same browser. If it doesn't, it may be due to cleared cookies or using a different device or profile. And that's it. By heading to the footer, opening the currency settings, selecting the option you want, and confirming, you can make Google Flights show fares in the currency that makes the most sense for you.